ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್, and this is a grammar lesson. Okay, so till now we have done so many grammars, and basically the Sandhi is also already started, and this will be the part 4 of our Sandhi lesson. In the last video yesterday we learned of adding alli to the words which ends with the sounding. So I'll give the example. That was, if there is a mara, then if I'm adding alli, then it should become maradalli. So that is what we learned in yesterday's class. Okay, so instead of I'll be introducing a da. So this happens only when there is a sounding in the first word. In the first word, the first word is also called as a Purvapada. Yes. So today we are going to see the different case. In the first word, we don't have a sounding. Instead, we have a sounding like a. Mane plus alli. We have a shale plus alli. We have a kere plus alli. Tore plus alli. Sorry for the background dog barking. Batte plus alli. Tatte plus alli. Tale plus alli. And also there are different cases where there is a e sounding. Okay, so I have a e sounding like kivi plus alli. Kivi means ear. Guhe, guhe means a cave plus alli. Gavi, gavi is also same thing, alli. Next to nadi plus nadi is a river, alli. Next one, what else I can add actually? Kuri plus alli. Okay, next one, ane plus ane, a sounding alla, e sounding bekalva. Yes, huli plus alli. So if you observe, I have a two sounding. So sounding illi, the sounds I am speaking is when you pronounce the first word, what is the sound, not the letter sound. Mane, a, shale, a. So which is the sound that ends with? So all these, they are ending with the a sounding. Okay, and here kivi, vi. Okay, guhe varala. Gudi, I'll write gudi. Gudi is a temple. Gudi, e, gavi, e, nadi, e. All these words are ending with the e sounding. Okay, I'm talking about the sound, not the letter. Remember, it's a sound. I'm talking about the sound. So whenever we have a sound or a e sound in the first word, and if you have a alli, just like the previous alli, what did you add? You added da, right? Here I will be adding mane plus ya. You will be adding a ya add martira. Yalli. So everywhere it will become shale yalli, kere yalli, tore yalli, batte yalli, tatte yalli, tale yalli. So what is that actual means, this one? This means in the. Okay, so in the house. House is mane. Shale is school. Kere is lake. Tore is also water stream. It can also be called as a lake. Okay, patte is a cloth. Tatte is a plate. Tale is a head. Kivi is ear. In the ear. In the temple. In the cave. In the river. In the sheep. In the tiger. Okay, that is the meaning of it. Okay, same thing in the previous. Maradalli, gidadalli, pustakadalli, panjaradalli. So whenever the sound ends with the you will add da. You will replace a with a da. Whenever there is a sound of a or a e, you will replace the with ya. Remember this, very important for Sandhi. So which is actually called as a agama Sandhi, yakar agama Sandhi. Clear? So that's it. So today copy down this one, practice ಮಾಡಿ, and take out textbook or newspaper or anything, you storybook, whatever you have, find out these kind of words. And do let me know in the comment section which are the words that you found out. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand the split and write, bidisi barayeri or kudisi barayeri, who are finding it difficult in this one. See you all in the next video of a Sandhi very soon anta helta. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. Do not forget to check the playlist of a Kannada Grammar. In the Kannada Grammar playlist, we have all the videos that we have done till now. Everything is been updated in that playlist. The link for that, you will get it in the description box. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.